SnipeGoat, baby. Welcome. So, clear view, real quick for you. Tracking price, baby. Tracking price. Uh, but yeah, didn't come to you Sunday, uh, at the close of the week, but price came up, right? Came into these, price came up here and produced equal highs. Then price pierced those equal highs and showed respect by printing what I would consider a shooting star. But all in all, it showed rejection here after coming into those equal highs. So, with doing so, here on the weekly, remember, most recent swing, we're reading this internal structure that price has produced. Swing to swing, retrace, and then we we will anticipate price to give a continuation to the downside, right? And then go from there with what price do at what levels. But all in all, swing to swing, retrace, and we're seeing what price is doing here at these levels of, I guess you could call resistance. But just reading price, you know what I mean? So we know price rejected this level of these equal highs after into coming into them, encountering these equal highs. Price showed respect and printed this shooting star. Okay. Now, wanting to know what price, is doing right now in this weekly price action. You know what I mean? We scale down to the daily. But I'm just thinking, again, this is the move. Swing and swing. This is the snipe zone. You know, looking at what levels is in this area that can make price encounter a continuation. And then needs to take profit levels for this move. Now, price can get here, respect, and come down, and then I say we have this level here um, as support that can make price then uh, reverse and give a continuation and break a structure and proceed to the upside to those weekly and monthly take profit levels. Um, Price can come down, and get here, and then show respect here, you know, show respect here at this level of support, and get a reverse. The different things that price can do, but we just analyze what price is doing at these levels to determine, what price is going to do based on what price did. So, monthly and weekly take profit levels. Uh, Scale down to the daily. So, understanding what price is doing on the daily at this level. Uh, Most recent swing, as you can see, is from here to here. Swing low to swing high, or higher low and higher high, and then you see price, is retracement in this retracement phase, and then you can see what price is doing, coming down into this level, and what you would say is, showing respect here to get the continuation to the upside, right? Swing, swing, retrace, continuation. You know what I mean? So we're seeing what price is doing here, and to determine what price is doing right now, in this price action of the daily. But as you can see, uh, swing to swing, price sold with this bearish engulfing, and now what price is trading inside of this bearish candle here of the fourth. So identify the open of this candle, and price is trading internally inside of it, right? So now we're getting this internal retracement in this daily bearish candle. So to analyze what price is doing, what type of price action we are encountering here inside this daily, we scale down to the 12-hour, and we see what price is doing. We see what price has done, and to determine what price is going to do, you have to know what price is doing. And in order for you to know what price is doing, you have to know what price did. So understanding that, we're following structure, price action and structure. Swing to swing, retrace, continuation, retracement, continuation. So this impulsive move here, followed by this price action here, would have been the retracement here, right? Price came down, and what did we encounter? A 12-hour breaker structure. So now that price has encountered a 12-hour breaker structure, we now know that this is the most recent swing here, based on what price created here with this bullish engulfing. You know, we got swing to swing, price retrace, and then gave this bearish engulfing also. But um, as you can see, swing to swing, and with this breaker structure, I'm watching price, analyzing, the price action that we are encountering here. After this push down that broke structure, now price can produce, corrective price action, which is retracement, and so then, of course, this move, swing to swing, retrace. This is the snipe zone of this move here. We got 12-hour structure here after we got this 12-hour breaker structure, right? And now I want to see what type of price action that we are going to continue to produce here to see, if price is going to come up and then give another sell-off here. Now, knowing this price action, understanding that price with this candle here of the fourth, um, price closed inside of this snipe zone. Now, I'm I just understanding how price moves with Bitcoin. Um, understand that when price comes into a snipe zone, we're looking for price to, respect that level, not close within it. We want price to close outside of it after coming into contact with said snipe zone. So with the price action that we encounter, price coming into encountering the snipe zone, and then price is what on the daily encountering a internal retracement. So understanding that price is encountering that internal retracement on the daily, which brings me to believe that price, because every time you determine what price is doing, you have to go off of what price did. And on the daily, what did price do? We are encountering a internal retracement inside of that bearish candle. So with that being said, I now on the 12-hour will be looking to identify um, a bullish retracement, because bearish move, we get a bearish move, and you will want to see a bullish retracement. So understanding that the internal retracement inside of that daily bearish candle will be bullish price action. So I'm looking to identify that bullish price action here on the 12-hour to identify the retracement structurally here on the 12-hour, because the 12-hour is what makes the daily. You know what I mean? So, but you always have to go off of what price did and produced on the daily. So, this is how I'm looking at the market, analyzing it. Again, with the price action that we encountered, 12-hour breaker structure, 12-hour structure here, swing to swing, retracement. This is the open of that daily bearish candle. So, you can see price. You know what I mean? I can see price do that. Now, knowing that this is, because on the daily structure hasn't been broken yet. You know what I mean? Daily structure, price came into it and respected daily structure. So, honestly, I'm looking at, this move still being produced. So, we may even get a push up, up here, you know what I mean? Based on uh, what I'm seeing, we could honestly come up into these levels, you know, off of this move, and like still, and price could even still push up here and also respect this level by coming into this and then start to sell off. Is not uncommon for price to push deep somewhere and then push all the way back up. You know what I mean? So swing to swing, retrace. Price got to this daily structure and showed respect. And with showing respect, we encounter this internal retracement. So in that internal retracement, we'll be looking for bullish price action here on the daily, on the 12-hour, to solidify that retracement, or to just show um, the structure of that retracement here on the 12-hour. And, and that's how I'm looking at it, baby. You know what I mean? That's how I'm looking at it. So you heard it here first, baby. SnipeGoat, the candle reading guru. Somebody go tell your favorite traders, man. I'm on the way.